What if instead of one note, I have an array? With perhaps more than one. So now I have an array with 2 notes in it. And I want to do the same thing to both items in the array. How do I do the same thing to every item in an array? I use map, right? We're old pros at that. No different here. It's just an array. So if I want some JavaScript in the middle of my JSX, I just put some curly braces in. My array is called notes. So notes.map. We know that map receives a callback function as its argument. So we'll put a little arrow function in here. What's the argument to that arrow function? Each item in the array, right? So if we're basically replacing a loop here, each individual item in the array will go here. So in this case, it's the note, right? If there's only one argument, you can leave the parentheses out. So now we have a single note. So what can we do now? How about we just return some JSX? How about we just return this? So we're looping over this notes array, and to each item in the array, which we've assigned the name note, we're returning note, note, note. A note component with a prop called note, whose value is the local variable note. So since I'm looping over notes, I can assign a name to each individual item in there. So I've assigned that note. So that's each note. Behold, oh, my fancy note, and another one. Yeehaw. And because this is a very simple one-liner, I don't need the curly braces, do I? And in fact, I don't need return if it's a one-line arrow function. So I could just write this like that. Your mileage may vary on which one you think is more readable. But that's pretty simple. Notes map, note, 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 note. Did I break it when I did that? Nope, still works. So now, dynamically render notes from an array.